Papa didn't answer. We have to talk to Papa and Papa call back, okay?
Papa.
She wanted to call Papa. We call Papa later, okay?
Okay.
Go play with Tai Tai. Go on.
Then you're Papa.
Papa is not answering. Look at these two. Say good morning.
What do you say?
Say good morning.
Oh my God.
I don't want her to stop drinking her milk. Sarah, say good morning, Fibs. I know she wasn't gonna answer, that's why I didn't say anything. Good morning, Fibs. Good morning, Fibs. And as much as how I would like to stand there and watch Tyler and Sarah cuddle, it's merely impossible when we have things to do, places to go, people to see, kids to drop to school, work to go to. And that's what we're doing right now. Hi, Fibs. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Good afternoon and good night. You guys already see it started off a busy day here. And I am doing my school runs right now. And then I'm going to do what Mel do. Hopefully you guys are having a good day. Stick and stay and enjoy today's vlog. We have a busy day, work day, as time is ticking. Time is winding down to that time where I am anxious, I'm excited. But yeah, it's another school and work week. Hopefully you guys are staying productive, using time management and kick out what you have to do, and you are going to walk right now, okay? Because mama is tired and heavy.
So I wanted to tell you that in France, but maybe in other country, tomorrow is summer.
Ah, tomorrow is the 21st. Official day of summer. You want flowers? Oh, yay! You got your flowers. Look, baby fell. Look, baby fell. Yeah, mama to put baby in the bag? Mama gonna put baby in the bag, okay?
No.
No? So carry it, hold it. You have to hold it then. She don't want her Dudu to go in the bag. She wants to carry it. Anyway, you guys, I'm going to do Tyler drop first, and then Sarah drop after, and then Mama go get some little French in for the sprinter, the sprint queen. Sarah, you're the sprint queen. Ain't nobody can tell you nothing. You're the one and only. Bird, go get the bird. Get him. Get him. Get the bird. Oh, get. Go get him. Get the bird. Get the bird. Bird, fly away. Come on, let's go. Session is finished and it's time for me to go pick up my girl, so I'm heading to her school right now and then commute back to home. It's a long morning. Hopscotch flex after school pickup. Go! 1 2 3 4 5 6, 7, 8. Finish. That was fun. You had fun at school? Come on.
Out.
Out. Yes. Y'all know she have to have her sandwich, right? As I pick her up, that's what she asked for. Mama sandwich. Come on, let's go home. Oh my gosh, you guys, the sun has drained my energy. I have 0 left. You see my face? I got home and I was working and I felt myself just like I'm floating. Then I remember, girl, you're editing. I couldn't hear nothing that's going on in my ears from the video clips. All I know is that I was sleeping. I had to get up and go in my bed because it wasn't working. I was really trying to fight through the sleep and get some work done, but it didn't work. So I had to go get an hour and like 10 minutes, and I'm hoping it helped because I still feel like I want to sleep, but it's not possible because I have to go and pick up my boy. So I just picked Sarah up from her nap. She's all dressed and we're ready to go get Tyler. So let's go the afternoon school run. My days, if you guys are in the sun, just stay safe. Don't let it beat you too much because it's no joke in these streets. Chicken wings going in the oven for dinner. Yes, teriyaki chicken wings looking good. I bought these seasoned at the supermarket, so all I add to this is some little salt. What? Happy Papa Day. Happy Papa Day already gone. It's gone since yesterday. Yes, yesterday. She's still in Father's Day mode.
Papa.
Papa is at work. Sarah, Papa soon come, okay? You want Papa?
Papa.
Papa is soon come. Okay? You want to call Papa on the phone?
Cuckoo, Papa.
Wait, it's not ringing. Papa didn't answer. Papa is at work. Papa is working.
Mama, Papa.
Papa is working. I have to call Papa when I have to talk to Papa when Papa call back, okay?
Papa.
She wanted to call Papa. We call Papa later, okay?
Okay.
Go play with Tai Tai. Go on.
Then you're Papa.
Papa is not answering. When he call, I'll give you the phone, okay?
Okay.
Go play with Tai Tai. Let's go find my kids. Let's see what they're up to.
Yellow here. Uh-oh. Tai Yummy. Can I play the shapes?
You and Tai Tai playing shapes?
Yes.
Okay, you having fun? Mama wanted to spy on you without you see me, but Tai Tai saw me first.
Sarah, sit. Let's play cards.
Remember I told you guys that I will be adjusting and putting out my recipe with the chickpeas and the broccoli. So I finally decided to do it today, and that's what's on the menu. So hopefully by the time you guys will see this video, it will be on my food channel at Mel's Kitchen Jamaica, or you just scroll down to the bottom of this page and you'll see my food channel. You can go ahead and check out the broccoli and chickpeas recipe. Let me show you guys how it's looking right now. There we go, looks good. Let me show you what we're having. With this we're having quinoa. Quinoa is cooking. Quinoa and chicken wings in the oven. That's what my kiddo's plate's looking like. Sarah's already eating. She started. She got hers first. Ty. That's Tyler's. Yummy. You see?
Thank you.
Bedtime
C'est quoi ça?
routine.
I don't have
Il y a
no
une
choice.
souris. Quelle couleur la souris? Bravo Sarah. Et ça c'est quoi?
4.
Oui, ça c'est 4. Mais c'est quoi ça?
Non.
Oui, ça c'est des
Elle a
peluches.
Elle a dit nounours.
Des nounours. Ça c'est quoi?
Joie.
Oui. Et ça?
Souris.
Oui, c'est quoi?
Cercle.
Un cercle jaune. Bravo. Et ça c'est quoi?
Marron.
Oui, c'est quoi?
Nouvelle.
Un ovale.
Nouvelle.
Bravo.
56.
Et c'est quoi 5 et 6?
56.
56.
56. Oh, derrière, c'est trop facile.
Bravo. Oh, tiens, tout à l'heure. Ça c'est quoi? Hein? Oui, goth c'est en anglais. En français on dit comment? Une Une chèvre. Ça c'est quoi?
You feed the goat at
Ballon, bravo.
You feed the goat at the
Poisson,
C'est du goat à
super
demi.
Sarah. Et ça c'est quoi? Un loup? Et il fait quel bruit le beau loup? Il fait comment le loup? Miaou.
La loup.
Miaou.
La loup.
Il fait quoi le loup?
Mais pas miaou.
Aou. Vert.
Ça, oui, ça c'est une libellule. Bravo. Ah, et ça c'est quoi? Bravo, super. Ça c'est quoi? C'est quoi? Oui, super. Ça c'est quoi?
Soleil.
Super.
Lune.
La lune. Et voilà, fini. Attends, on va voir si celui-là tu te rappelles. 38. Et ça c'est?
8.
On dit comment 8 et 8? 88.
Tell Fizz night night. Look. It's a night night, Fizz.
Night dog. Night mama. Night papa.
Night night, Fizz.
Fais un bisou.
It's a night night, Fizz.
Night sorrow.
À demain.
Bedtime madness. Careful.
Du membre du Ninja les gars. T'es ranao. T'as ton copain Raika. T'as ton copain Raika.
Oh la la. 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 Oh la la.
Vous tirez une photo de moi.
Ça c'est qui?
De moi.
Oh
Georges.
my god.
Peppa.
Nounours.
Baby.
Nours, il est tout dur.
Okay, you go. You go. You go. You.
Allez, range-moi ta chambre.
Lay down. Lay down, please.
Peppa.
See Peppa here.
George.
See George here.
Mommy Chick.
Yes, she have to go to bed with all her favorite. Lay down.
Peppa.
Lay down.
George.
Yes. See you tomorrow. I love you. Your turn.
Mama.
Yes.
It's on.
Okay.
I'm sure I'm going to ask you if I can eat something tonight.
Go. Night night, Sarah. tomorrow. See you later. Bye bye, Sarah.